Alright, so this is a composite function question, and here I'll just do one, maybe two of them, maybe the first one and the last one, that should be alright. We've got f of x is some sort of rational function and g of x is the same, so rational functions, ratio, yep, it's fraction. Let's see how we go with this. So f of g of x means I keep the structure of f of x, so I would actually do this first. Something plus 3 over something plus 2. G of x is the variable, so I replace where there used to be x with the expression for g of x. G of x is x plus 1 over x take 1, so I've done that, and I do that in the denominator as well. Alright, well that's not too bad. It's pretty ugly, but it's not too bad. What do I want to do to make this look pretty? Well, I want to get rid of those denominators. You don't like having fractions within a fraction. So multiplying by 1 isn't going to change what the fraction's worth. So I'm going to multiply by 1, but I'm going to do it in a clever and well thought out way. I'm going to multiply by x take 1 over x take 1. You can see that's going to have the effect of cancelling the denominator in the first term in the numerator and the denominator. So cancelling that one there, I'm going to be left with x plus 1 plus 3 outside of x take 1, and down the bottom here the x minus 1's cancel, and I've got x plus 1 plus 2 outside of x take 1. Suddenly it's become easy, hasn't it? It's not going to be too bad from here. Let's see how we go. I've got x plus 1 plus 3x take 3, remembering to distribute that 3, and on the bottom I've got x plus 1 plus 2x take 2. Make it look pretty. I've got 4x minus 2 divided by 3x take 1. And we're done. Not too bad. Hopefully that's okay. Hopefully you can follow that. G of x, always a little bit tricky the first time we do these, so don't be too disheartened if you had trouble. I just needed to do that to find roughly where my pen was. Ah, there you go. I can see the cursor now. Sometimes I lose track of where it is. Here we go, g of x. So the structure is g of x, but where there used to be an x, I'm going to replace it with the entire g of x expression. So by the structure I mean it's something plus 1 over something minus 1. You can see that's the shape of g of x. And where there used to be an x, I now put the entire expression for g of x. So this is x plus 1 over x take 1, and x plus 1 over x take 1 in the denominator as well. That's right, you know what we're going to do. We don't like fractions within fractions, so I multiply by x take 1 over x take 1. That will make it look prettier and a little bit easier to work with. From here it's not too bad, so now I'm just left with x plus 1, denominator cancels, plus 1 times x. I can leave it like that for now. You obviously don't need that 1, you don't necessarily need to do it that way, but keeping the entire bracket together there and making sure you distribute it is important, and it's certainly going to be important with the denominator when I do that. So here I've got x plus 1 minus 1 outside of x take 1, and you'll see why it's going to be important as I expand that. So here I've got x plus x, that's 2x, plus 1 and minus 1, well they cancel each other out, so it's just 2x on top. X minus x, the x's disappear, and 1 minus negative 1, well that becomes plus 1, so that's 2. So g of x simply gives me x. Pretty easy. Alright, I hope that helps. I'm happy to make some more. I'll see you in the next video. Keep up the good work, guys. Cheers.